Oma. The Buddha, see, I didn't coach it. Naganilu. You can you walk on that? Where the Renaissance? Get out the garden. And I'm going to Ugochi tubelu. Walk on my oraifite. You got it. Odinana besofu. Odinana buzondo. Imano werolu neti mpunasi. Ugochi area. Pambose oneti. No tutu na bali ono na nkuzi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Oda ọma na oraifite. Onye mmasị ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na-eje mmadụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Oda ọma na oraifite. Onye mmasị ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Onye ọma na-eje mmadụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị. Ugochi tubelu ga-adị. Ugochi tubelu temple. Ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa jaja ndị okenye ga-adị fọdambaki ndị okenye adị fọdambaki fọdasi kala aka ụgọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ mepekwa chọọchị fa obodo ụka bịa Manu Ugochi tubelu ekpe Eze-Ana si n'ọma mme ọdịnala amanwụ chacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkuzi Chukwu abịa ma gbago ume ọdịnala ya dị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mmasị ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje mmadụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu.
Ọtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo ka anyị dobiri ebe a anyị abịakwa n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ mụnwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya maka ndị ọ bụ tata bụ izizi ha na-afụ m na soshal midia afa mbụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite afa nji wee chi ọzọ Eze-Ana abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry bụrụkwazị onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu ihe anyị ji wee bịa bụ all you need to know about witchcraft Ndi Amosu agba nke abụọ. Ihe m chọrọ ịkọwara gị bụ na ihe gbasara Ndi Amosu, how to operate and what you must do to avoid their negative influence. Ọnya ka iji bịa mana bifo anyị gaa n'iru ọkwa dị mkpa echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa June ga-ebido na June 6th. Ndị na-esonye na ya bụ aja amarụgo ka esi eme ya mana maka gị bụ onye ọfụ ihe ị ga-eme ewu ịfọwọdụ ọrụ m 3 prayer request gị email donation token to the account number echatije m na WhatsApp agwazie gị other details I need from you in order to book you. Nyaba I have a jambuni and I just go near Puni Brikitan de Madeno. I am not shows testimonies on social media. I draw the sense of hide Macabia. I am not quite sure you all now on social media. Sunday so you know Nanyabacha. Bonde Geketoke. Na Nyabo Ajayana Achu. All was a how abunde game with you on your etu esi malite na etu esi wee end ya ghọtara ya na nke a bụ ofu nke abụọ bụ na distance abụrụ ịbara ya nke ọnwa June a etu anyị si eme ka anyị kọwara ya ka o doo gị anya ụbọchị anyị na-amalite anya bụ aja anyị chụta anya bụ aja nke ụbọchị mmalite anwa na temple bụ na 6th ndị niile sonye na anya bụ aja ga-enweta ihe onyonyo only them ga-enweta ihe onyonyo etu anyị si malite ya mana ọ bụ a ga-achụkwudo nya ma aja abụzi aja nga na-eji achụ na temple na-present their prayer request to the entities of powers ndị na-agagharị na-eme mma na aha Chukwu okike kepere eme ihe niile ọ bụrụ na emesịa ya ụbọchị ga-abụ 19th of June ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị na-emesara aka chụkwazi aja dị iche iche to entities of powers chụọ aja eburu emesara aka n'anya bụ ụbọchị ahụ kwa anyị ga-akwakwa ihe ọnụ na-eri wee jee na mmiri jee chụọlụ mere ihe niile Chukwu kere eke and all the elements living in the water chụọlụ ha aja kpekwazi ile ọma n'isi ndị niile sonyere anyị batazie leta that day achụ aja ihe mme dị iche iche to entities of powers gbukwazi ebu emesara aka anyị mesịa nke anyị ga-ese ndịkwalụ ya bụ nchịkọta ya to ndị niile sonye na ya bụ aja then I continue kwa na-achụ aja n'isi ndị mmadụ tiri na ya bụ June agwụ otu a ka isi eme ya then ka bụ ihe kwesịrị ịma so ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịchatị na WhatsApp fọ nkụzi ya nji maka ebe taa ma ọ bụ na ị chọrọ iso na ya bụ aja nke ọnwa June send alụ meseji na WhatsApp 0805 7837672 I repeat 0805-7837672 onye bụ ihe PS nwetara na WhatsApp then ka anyị banyezie na nkụzi anyị ji maka ya wee bịa n'ụbọchị taa nkụzi anyị ji maka ya wee bịa n'ụbọchị taa ka ihe niile ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara witchcraft Ndi Amosu how they operate and how you can avoid them. Nke bụ eziokwu na ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-agagharị na-akụ ọta dị iche iche na-ebe akwa ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-abịa na my inbox na ike ụwa gwụgwọ ha some will even tell you that na ha na-contemplate si to take their lives. I can tell you mmadụ isi ka ya take ya only thinking how possible to take your life is a coward act. Do you get it? Yes. You are thinking about it because you don't understand how things work in creation. If you understand it, you will know that life is a continuous one. It's like government. Now, whatever you met on ground from your predecessor, you continue from it. It's a continuous process. So, Obrona, everyone else no one car. I can tell you, maybe one was you continue from where you stop. You know what I mean? So, it's a key one game we was all. Then, then, of course, was it in Pabo? I want to actually they show our social media handles. That actually they show our videos, Nollywood movies. Na YouTube channel. Sorry, I want to show you they show our Nollywood movies on your television stations. Please chat me on WhatsApp. Let's discuss. Cause on now was again in the nature video. Imetụ aka na share button. Keep us on before I gaba n'ihu ihe anyị ji maka ya bịa bụ echefuna na annual feast anyị na-abịa na September 16. ọkwa that day ka Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na iri ji. Ọ ga-ada ụda nke this year ga-ada ụda karịa. Enwere so many artists ga-anụ ya that day ịkpa ndị mmadụ obi ụtọ. Enwekwaziri ndị egwu ọdịnala dị iche iche ga-anụ ya. Mana mgbe oge na-eru anyị ga-ebido kpọwara gị afọ ya ndị ga-anọgasị ya. Number one person na confirm go onwe Chinaza Adigbo nke tiri eze nwaanyị mmiri. Ọ ga-anọkwa live. Mana ka anyị gaba n'iru na nkụzi anyị ji bịa. Nkụzi anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taata bụ witchcraft. Gịnị bụ witchcraft? Gịnị bụ ndị amoosu? How they operate? The operation format and what you must do in order to avoid them. Then, amoosu, na simple terms mmejikọwara gị ya. Ka akpọ ya na enwere amoosu mmụọ nwa amoosu mmadụ. Amoosu mmụọ bụ those negativities, negative things thrown at you by negative forces. Yes. Those ones is caused by some negative forces. Then, while caused by man, fellow man. Makana na-eji aja obi ata mmadụ amoosu. Gịnị bụ amoosu? As long as you are here on earth, whenever some people, group of people or individuals plan any evil in order to harm you, in order to hypnotize you, in order to take what rightly belongs to you, na-agba izu ọjọọ dị iche iche iji megide gị ma ọ bụ were ihe bụ oke gị. That is amoosu. And what I want to tell you today is that as long as you are living in this world, physical world, this gross material world, you can never run away from negative thought or wishes from human beings. You can never run away from it because open matter the aghụghọ. Then what I offer you is solution and what you must do in order to prevent these things from coming, and how you can be at peace with forces of nature for your protection. Nke mbụ, ka ndị amoosu si alụ ọrụ bụ na ọ bụrụ amoosu mmụọ, ịmalụ na you need to avoid ndị amoosu mmụọ, you have to work on yourself. Maka ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na ọkpara nkụ ahụ siri ngwere bịara ya ọrụ, ọkwa eziokwu. Yes. How to avoid it? As in cleanliness is next to godliness. So if you don't want garbages, refuge dump in front of your house, please always keep your frontage very clean. Let me tell you what you don't know. If you want to turn your frontage, front of your house, into the refuge dump, start today to dump refuse, all those waste in front of your house. I can tell you, with time, your neighbors, passers-by, will help you to dump more waste in front of your house. I can tell you for sure. Small time, they will help you to dump more refuse in front of your house. So if you don't want garbages in front of your house, what you must do is this. Make sure you keep your environment clean. in spiritual terms, make sure you do not corrupt your spiritual vibrations, spiritual aura. Make sure you do not corrupt your environment spiritually. Because when you corrupt your environment spiritually, you already bring filth and garbages around you spiritually. And by so doing, you will be attracted to other filth and garbages. Now, what I mean is this: keep your thought pure. Never you wish evil against your fellow man. Never plot evil. Keep your thought pure. Never you engage yourself in those acts of wickedness. Because those acts of wickedness will contaminate your spiritual vibrations. Makana awagaghị ịmụ ihe toro ogologo. Once you corrupt your spiritual vibrations, your spiritual vibration spiritually is already corrupt. It's like a magnet. It will help start attracting other negative thoughts and vibrations around you. When you corrupt your spiritual vibrations with negative thoughts, intentions, longing, you have already corrupted your spiritual vibes. And for that reason, by so doing, radiating that negativity around you, you will connect yourself knowingly or unknowingly to negative center, corruption center, negative vibration center in the world of medium. And by so doing, by connecting to those world of medium, negative vibes, you will receive more than you sow. Have you asked yourself, if you understand how things work, you understand that that is why if you plant a corn on the soil, it will germinate and give you many corn. Do you know why? Because the soil composition has the components, the minerals needed to form more corn. You understand? So when your spiritual vibration is corrupt, it will attract other negative vibrations around beyond measure, even beyond what you have already given out. So when you are receiving, you will receive it in abundance. That's why I ask you to keep your thought pure. That's why when you can say, of course, already he email. When you will receive the punishment, you receive beyond measure. You will receive multiple of what you have given out. You got that? Can you say, of course, one thing here? Email. Can you see I'm pure as a good work career? And my check that you be your job and we so good in creation, we attract other will be your job of people around you. Therefore, you receive more. I'm a nigga that he can go allergy. This yellow pepper. It's a coin aside the bend or yeme. Or match or poor, or marble so yellow, or men with the same scent. Those fragrance also, oibo, yellow pepper name. Egotaria. Man, obo ne koya and suka within those UNN area. Because of soil composition, it will gather those nutrients and whatever the components of that pepper, yellow pepper, well, it will attract it and will give you that particular also yellow. You know that? Yeah, now what you will reap is what you have sown and similarities around you. But this time around, you will reap more than what you sow. So that's why you keep your spiritual vibration clean. There will be water. By so doing, negative vibration is coming, but your environment are very clean. Spiritual vibration environment is very clean. It will not anchor, because it will lack base of the same feather flows together. Your spiritual vibration is very so clean. Let me give you an example. If you keep your frontage very clean, and somebody is coming there after drinking sachet water, because of the cleanness of your environment, the person will not have mind to drop that pure water sachet in your front of your house. Instead, the person will fold it, hold it, and take it far distance away from your home. Whenever the person now notice garbages and waste around, the person will now throw the pure water sachet. So what am I saying? If you don't want garbages to be thrown at you, you keep your spiritual environment very clean. By so doing, if anybody is wishing you evil, it will not have a place to anchor. But if your spiritual vibration is very dirty, and they would feel root filled, whenever somebody is throwing those garbages, it will have a place to anchor. You got that? So if you don't want Amosu more, what you will do is avoid those things that will make it possible for Amosu more to anchor in you. Then, for Amosu Mado, make sure you do not plan evil and wish any man evil. Definitely, try your best not to live life that will make it possible for Obiojo mother. Let me give you an example. Whenever I'm driving, maybe after rainfall, in Nigeria, we have bad roads here and there. Do you get? Sometimes if I'm driving from oraifite to Nnewi, bad road, potholes. Make sure, and after rainfall, you will notice that you will have this water in those potholes whenever you are driving. And people are walking, passerbys. Those people that with leggedies Benz, they are Jokwaga. Yes, I had about the leggedies Benz. They are leggedies Benz, Jokwaga, na main road. Pay attention to them. Don't just, you as a driver, you saw those potholes and you notice that there is this dirty water on those potholes. Please, don't flash them water. Some of them have really dressed up, having where they are going in mind. Sometimes, out of your own carelessness, you enter those potholes with speed. You are going to flash the water. And believe in me, they will never be happy with you. Some of them can even curse you when you refuse to acknowledge the fact or even say sorry. Then, to avoid medicine after that, please pay attention and make sure you avoid entering this pothole with speed so that you will not flash the water. Once you flash the water, some of them will not be happy with you. In order to avoid unnecessary cost, make sure whenever you are driving, make sure you consider other people, road users, passerby, in order to not to flash the water. The same way, whenever you are driving, apply caution. Understand that there's other people, other road users. Anywhere, avoid unnecessarily hurting people intentionally. Those ones that are avoidable, please avoid them. Instead, yes, don't intentionally under you. Don't do it. To avoid attracting unnecessary anger to yourself. Those accumulation of or that those unnecessary anger towards you. Ha ga-emecha form we have or rap, and that's negativity around you. And those negativity, once they accumulate to some height, they will begin to have repercussion, sending negative vibes to you. And that is Amosu. So, yes, avoid those ones that are avoidable. And I know that there's some people that are so difficult in life. You can never please them. Yes, I know. We have such people that you can never please them in life. They can never show gratitude. They can never be, as in, it can't please them, no matter what you do. Yes, those people are minor. Remember, even Jesus, according to that allegorical story in the Bible, after feeding 5,000 people, excluding children and the women, for me, I will understand that if men alone is 5,000, women and children with more than 5,000, meaning that he fed over 10,000 people. But believe in me, those people are nowhere to be found. By the time Pilate wanted to set him free, ask them, who do you want me to set free? Is it your brother Barnabas or your king? They insisted that they should set Barnabas free and crucify their king. Do you get? So there are the people that benefited from him and they later crucify him. So what am I saying? There are some people that you will help in life, and what you will get in return is blackmail. They can never say anything good thing about you. They are there. Avoid them. Those people are minor. And for the fact that in creation, people in creation that have already established who they are, that these people, you can never satisfy them. Nature is taking note. So even if you do something good and they refuse to acknowledge and appreciate it, forget them. Forget them. Because in creation, the forces of nature have already marked them as ingratitude people. Yes, those people, nature have already marked them. That these people are people that you can never please in life. So therefore, their own wickedness and anger can be taken care of by forces of nature. But what of those genuine people that have good heart? Please don't abuse those genuine hearts. I will stop here. Nature video. You want to send that message in our WhatsApp. Mobile talk about family. Send that message in our WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. Not to make a share about it. Thank you.